Reba's Reading Treasures! It's Reba to the rescue! Come on along and read this sensational story with me! The title, Reba and Kyrie look after cousin Alyssa. Hello, friends! I am with two of the most amazing cousins. Today, Cousin Kyrie and I are looking after our younger cousin, Alyssa. Aunt Hannah is here. She has work to do and errands to run. Uncle Will is also busy today. So, Kyrie and I have volunteered to take care of our cousin Alyssa today. We are preparing cereal for breakfast. Alyssa loves to eat cereal. Cousin Kyrie and I love cereal too. It's time to head to the museum. We can't wait to see the art and the crafts. Here at the museum, we are learning about wonderful art. I love art. The museum is a busy place today. Alyssa is running in the museum. Running is not allowed. Alyssa has also failed to keep up with me and Kyrie. Kyrie and I have now found Alyssa. We have explained to her that she should keep up with us and stop the running in the museum. She understands. Now it's time for lunch. We are back home and having lunch. Kyrie and I are preparing black bean burgers, salad, and smoothies. It's time for homework. Kyrie and I are helping Alyssa complete her school lessons. The homework lessons are complete. Now it is time for our afternoon snack. We all voted for popcorn. It's time to say goodbye to Cousin Alyssa, Aunt Hannah, and Uncle Will. We enjoyed our time with Alyssa. Cheers for taking care of our younger cousin. Cheers for a job well